We got the state parks guys out here gonna have some fun with us. Think he's gonna go for that?
I think so.
Oh! Bellied out. Trying to think, should we throw a rock in there or something? Oh, he's gonna get a run at it.
Here, hold this.
Oh, you're gonna get a log assist. All right, that log. Am I safe? I'll stand to the side.
Oh, you spit it right out.
Make it mulch.
Yeah, she's pretty rotten. We'll have to go around. Yeah, good try though. She's pretty rotten.
I'll give you props. I didn't think you'd try.
I'll test the machine out.
Your turn. Show him how it's done.
I don't think there's any point in me trying it.
No. You got a 900. He's got a 900 too. Well,
Do you own the machine? No. Oh well.
it's the stakes. Just go for it.
Can't have that attitude. Yeah, I hear you.
It might be just the driver.
But he's more experienced on these than I am.
Don't say that.
It's true.
All right.
Cool. Well, you guys have fun, man.
Yeah,
Always.
you too. Thanks. Not a bad little unit. Oh, you could make that. I did it on my four-wheeler. You got that.
That's harder. I thought he was going up that way.
It all goes the same spot.
Couple DNR officers with guests. How does that work?
Packing heat. The guy had a gun and clips too.
Cadet maybe. I don't know. That's pretty cool. All right. Let's.
I'm glad I didn't jump on my ATV and move it without my helmet because I was going to.
Yeah, I know.
I heard him coming. I was like, I'm going to move. I was like, no, I got my helmet on. So they roll up. I'm throwing my helmet on like I'm like. Hee! I'm sure there's parts of that job that aren't much fun, but I bet that part doesn't suck. You know what I mean? Just rolling around.
Oh, for sure.
You want to head out?
Yeah. So today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna give you guys these Polaris Razors, and you're just gonna trail ride and monitor the people using the ATV park.
Make sure the two guys on the park and the other two guys aren't getting in trouble.
Yeah. Yeah. And then you get to work and you get to go. Well, two of the guys I covered bases with in the parking lot.
Yeah, already checked them. So I think we're almost back around the gates. I think we are.
Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah.
So we can just go around and then like split off the first turn, I guess.
Yeah, whatever. I'll go wherever at this point. I didn't know, like, when I started leading, once I took that first turn, I'm like, I don't know if I'm where we are and I'm going backwards, if we've been here.
It wouldn't matter. Because he hadn't been there, or if you already been there once, you're going the other way. So it's like a new trail. You want to go up it one more time?
I can.
I might try that way. probably be my last mistake. I guess I'm gonna try that way, see what that's all about. Haven't done it yet. Oh. Yep, this is the beginning.
So, I want to take that,
We're just gonna peel off.
I want to take that high road where we were above that lake again and get my thumbnail photo.
Okay.
Just so you know. And then we can drop back down in.
Hey! DNR's out here.
Huh?
The DNR's out.
Are they?
Yeah. Just let you know, they just checked it. But you're parked. You're fine if you're parked.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did they stop and check your stuff though?
They-
Parking lot they did today.
Yeah. You got tags?
Yeah.
You got your title or whatever?
Yeah.
You're good.
That's all they care about. Helmet, tags, and registration, and then he was gone. They're checking.
I didn't have my helmet on when they pulled up, and I was gonna jump on and just move for them because we were blocking the road. And I was like, no, I'll put my helmet on, and I didn't know it was DNR. Thank God. Yeah. We told them to do the logs. They're like, I don't know. It's like, come on. That stuff.
They're anal about the rules. So he was like, make sure to put your helmet on while you pull your machine off the trailer.
Yeah, on the trailer.
They don't care for parts like this and now they don't.
No, they don't give a shit. We were down in the valley off our machines with our shit off out of the water.
Yeah.
No.
Just as long as you're not driving.